In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform the Clini test, which is used to detect reducing substances in urines. There's two methods, a 5-drop and a 2-drop. The 2-drop is what I'm going to go ahead and use. And basically it is as it sounds. You add 2 drops of your sample. That was my positive. And then here's my negative. And then you further add 10 drops of water to each specimen. Now you can use the 2-drop. It can detect up to a higher amount of reducing substance in a sample. Okay, let's give it a quick mix, and then you go ahead and add your Clinitest tablets. Now it's important to note that you do not want to use plastic containers for this test because there is a heating agent inside, and the specimens themselves get very hot. You can see them bubbling there, and it might melt thinner plastic. So you definitely want to use glass for this, and you don't want to touch the bottom as they could get very hot in those test tubes. Now you're supposed to wait until after the boiling reaction occurs, and then 15 seconds after that you can go ahead and you can shake them to mix it. And then you're going to use the charts provided to determine the level of reducing substance present. So here's the chart that I'm referring to. You got to make sure you use the right one because the 2-dropper and the 5-drop are different charts. Slightly. I don't think it's anything significant. Anyways, after the boiling is finished, you wait 15 seconds, you can give it a little mix, and then, like I said, you go ahead and you compare it to your chart. You can see that was my negative, and it's definitely that darkish blue color. And then my positive is still boiling, and like I said, you have to wait for that to stop, and then 15 seconds after that is when you can go ahead and mix it and compare it to your chart. It was actually taking a while, so I had to pause it and start over after it was done, and I waited my 15 seconds. Give it a quick mix, and then you can see this is a darker green color as compared to the negative's blue, compared to the chart, and that's all there is to it.